Good afternoon, everybody. Today is the exciting day that we've all been waiting for here at Castle Hot Tubs. It is Friday, the 20th of September, the day of the big draw for this beautiful Ramsey hot tub. Firstly, thank you to everybody who's entered so far. We'd like to wish you all good luck. If you're not fortunate enough today to be the winner, you will receive an email shortly, because what we've decided is a thank you from us to you. We're going to make you a special offer, and this beautiful Ramsey is going to be yours if you want it for £3,850, one-off special. But without further ado, we're about to do the draw, so I'd like to wish you all good luck. We're super excited, can't wait to see the winner. Thank you very much. Over to Kaylee.
Adele Davis. Congratulations, Adele. You
Well
won the
done,
Ramsey.
Adele. Congratulations. We'll be in touch shortly.
Hello.
Oh, hello there. Is this Adele?
Speaking, yeah.
Hello, Adele. It's Sally from Castle Hot Tubs.
Hi.
Is it okay that this conversation has been recorded?
Yeah, that's fine, yeah.
Okay, so I've got some great news for you, Adele.
Sorry, what was that?
I said I've got some great news for you.
Be serious.
I'm really serious. You've won the hot tub.
No way.
Yes, you've won the hot tub, Adele.
That's shocking, no chance.
Congratulations. You excited?
I can't believe it yet, really?
Yeah, you've won a beautiful Ramsey hot tub.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
It hasn't sunk in, has it?
No, it's clear, look, because I never win anything, and it was just a fluke that I seen it and added a page and everything.
Well, we at Castle Hot Tubs are delighted to say you are our winner.
Well, thank you.
Okay, so I'm going to call you back soon. I'm going to call you back in about 5 minutes, okay? I'm going to take some details and we'll go from there, okay?
Okay then, thank you.
You're welcome. Congratulations, Adele. Bravo. Yay.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Bye now.